Hey, it's Captain Keith with MarineMax, and we're back again with some more boating tips. Over the course of time, we've been receiving some responses and questions, and one of the topics that came up was anchoring and retrieving an anchor if it's stuck. Today, we're going to go over a plow anchor. Those of you that have the Sea Ray cruiser, sport yachts, some of the bigger whalers are familiar with this anchor. This will be attached to a windlass, and of course then the chain and your anchor rod are going up through the windlass, and this is coming out. When you drop it, your anchor is going to drop down and land on the ground. The important thing to get your anchor set is to have enough scope out. You want to have anywhere from 7 to 10 feet of anchor rod out for every foot of water that you're in, including the distance from the windlass, from the top of the bow rail to the water. Factor that in when you're doing your math. Once you have enough anchor rod out, you need to make sure and set this anchor. This is a plow. It just looks like a John Deere plow. So when you pull on this, this is going to pull down. It's going to dig this wedge into the ground, and it's going to hook. It's going to set. Then you know you're set. Otherwise, you're just going to sit on top of here and it's not going to do anything. If you don't pull it down, you're just going to drag it. Now, if you were to modify this before you use it the first time, you notice there's a hole back here. We can take the shackle off of the front of this anchor and move it back here. Hook your chain up back here. Get it in the threads there. Okay. Then you're going to run your chain up to the forward edge. You'll take a big zip tie and zip tie this in there so it's going to hold it. If the anchor were to get hung up, that zip tie will be able to break free when you pull this. So for demonstration purposes, I've just got a small zip tie here. I'll run it through, zip tie this up. So that's held on there. So typically, if your anchor comes free normally, it's just going to come up just like that. Now we get this wedged under something, you've got two options. You can record your spot with your GPS, cut the line, go back and retrieve it another day, take somebody that knows how to dive. Otherwise, if you want to use this method, your zip tie when you're pulling up on this is going to break. So that comes loose, the windlass pulls it up, the anchor spins up backwards, and you retrieve it that way. So it slides out from under what the obstruction is. I hope this helped. We're going to be doing a segment on the Danforth anchor and ways to retrieve that as well. Remember, you can stop by any of your MarineMax stores for tips and advice. You can always find us online at MarineMax.com.